Hello guys, today we are diving into the world of file transfer protocol or FTP. Think of FTP as your digital courier that delivers files quickly, efficiently, and safely between computers. Yes, it's as easy as that. So whether you are setting up a website or you want to share large files or manage servers remotely, the FTP is your secret weapon for fast and secure file transfer. Now imagine you're trying to upload files from your local computer into your server panel, and it's kind of like taking long because of the largeness of the file. Yeah, so this is where the file transfer protocol comes into play. In this video, I will guide you step by step processes of setting up your file transfer protocol. Now let's get started. First, you will need to download the Mobaxterm. This is it, you are seeing right here. There's a link on the description below on how to download and configure the Mobaxterm. So you will download this, then you open your browser. This is my browser. Then I'll try to log into my server panel or my Cpanel. So I'll enter my login details. Then my password. This is my Cpanel. Yeah, then click on login. So I'm successfully logged into my Cpanel. So on the sidebar, yeah, where we have the file management, I'll just click on the drop down. Then I will go to FTP account. So I will click here. Yeah. Then here I will create an FTP. Yeah. So I'll just create users. There, you can see we have many users. Click on this create FTP account. This button right here. I will create here. Then I'll enter my user details. We'll just use a random name. So let's say the user name is Precious. Then here you're going to select the directory you want to give the person access to. So you can choose the public HTML or whatever file you want the person to have, or whatever folder you want the person to have access to. So you can just select it right here. So I'll just choose this. Yeah. No, not this. So here you can select the folder you want the person to have access to. If you want the person to have access to the public HTML or whatever folder you want the person to have access to. So I'll just, let's just say for example I want the person to have access to this WP admin only. So I will select this, then I will click on choose current path. Then here my password, you can just enter your password or you generate randomly by clicking on this key icon here. Just click this, I will copy and save somewhere, then click on save. So I've successfully created my FTP account for this user Precious. Now let me go to my Mobaxterm. So this is it. I will come here. So here I will click on this section here. Now the Mobaxterm is an application for Windows, a good alternative to tools like Putin. So it actually allows you to launch remote sessions such as the SSH, the FTP, SFTP. Yeah, so with this Mobaxterm, someone can actually, you can actually share files with someone remotely, or actually the person can access your server, work on your server remotely. So this is what the Mobaxterm actually does. So we'll click on, since we want to share a file using the file transfer protocol, we're going to click on this FTP here. Then here you're going to enter your remote host, which is your domain name, right? So I'm just going to copy my domain name. So I'll come here. This is my domain name. So I'll paste it here. Then the username is this. Paste it. Then the default port is 21. Then you click on OK. Then they will require the password which you generated. So I'll come to my the password to this user. So paste this here. Okay. Now do you want to save password? No. So it's uploading already. As you can see, this is our WP admin. So these are the files in it. So the person only have access to this folder. Whatever the person wants to do remotely, the person can only work with this folder. The person does not have access to every other file on your server. Like if we should come to our file manager here, file manager. Under the public HTML, yeah, you see we have other things: WordPress, WP admin, WP content. Now the person can only work with this folder which you've given him or her access to. The person cannot access any other folder here. So I'll just open the WP admin which I gave the person access to. So as you can see, all the files here are what we have on our Mobaxterm. So the person can just work with it. The person can decide to upload file from your local computer to your server folder, and it will reflect here on your control panel. So guys, this is how you set up your FTP for file transfer. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like and the subscribe button, and do not hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any question. Thank you.